Namaste, I am CA Praveen Kumar, Director of planetFINANCE Business School, High Tech City, Hyderabad. In the last 1.5 years, we are seeing so many IPOs coming into the market for raising the fund from the public. That is called primary market. So I have done the video on Hyundai Motors Corporation, and I have done the video on Adani, and I have done the video on other companies who are coming for IPO. But later I realized, if I am making the videos and people are watching, they will think I am knowledgeable. Of course, I am knowledgeable, but as a faculty, as a director, my objective is to make students knowledgeable. So it is not that I am knowledgeable, please come and join our B school. It is not like that. It is like, I will make you knowledgeable, you can join the PGDM with us and you will also become knowledgeable. That is the idea which you wanted to create among the public. So in the same plan, what I have done is, I made students to prepare the IPO report of each company so that they will be able to share their knowledge, how they are able to perform in front of camera and how they are able to share their knowledge with you will be helpful for the audience. Okay. So today we are with us our student of first year PGDM, Padmavati from Narsapur, West Godavari district. So question is, how did you get to know about our B school, Padmavati?
Sir, I am studying CA actually. I know through your teaching for CA final. So I know through that.
So you tried your CA also?
Yes, sir.
So you have completed IPCC or final?
No, sir.
No. You appeared for IPCC?
Yes.
I will tell you, the package what she can get if she can clear CA after so many attempts can be, I can say 8.5 to 9 lakhs. She can get that salary in our B school with 1 year of experience with our PGDM. I repeat, without much efforts. That is the beauty of our syllabus. So we aligned our syllabus matching with the corporate requirements. Example, collateral management, reference data management, trade settlement, hedge fund reconciliation, financial reporting of hedge funds. These are all not taught in any MBA college in the country. Coming to the analytics part, we train the candidates on advanced Excel, Power BI, Tableau, Alteryx, Python, Power Apps, Power Automate. Remember this video, after 5 years, there will not be a single corporate mail. All the companies will be shifting to have apps in their mobiles for their employees, where approvals and everything will be done using the apps only and not by emails. So we are much ahead of the corporate requirements and making the candidates ready for corporate world. That is why we get the candidates from any part of the country to our B school at Hyderabad. Can you tell about this Sagility India Limited?
Sagility India Limited is a technology-based company and it provides services and solutions through for the US healthcare system, like US healthcare.
Acha, US healthcare,
yes,
one of the booming industry in the
yes,
country.
Sagility India Limited is a technology-enabled services and solutions company where the company will provide services and solutions to the US healthcare systems. So the main business for this is US healthcare system. So they provide insurance companies like US insurance companies and US healthcare providers, which are hospitals and
Claim processing.
Yes.
Claim. There are so many companies in Hyderabad, Gurgaon, Chennai, Bangalore.
So
where, let us say, a patient goes to USA hospital. Whatever the process he undertakes, like he will be filling the form, undergoing the procedure for healthcare, and raising the insurance claim and all, are approved and outsourced to Indian companies. So there are so many companies doing this and creating huge employment for Indian students and youth in these cities. Okay, can you throw some light on their financials of this company?
yes, sir. The financials revenue of the company has risen from 4,200 crores to 4,700 crores, which is 12% growth from the financial year 2023 to 2024, and the profit after tax has been rose from 128 crores to 228 crores, which is 59% of the profit is increased from the financial year 2023 to 2024. So
every healthcare processing company will make profits. How, sir? First thing is that They are similar to IT companies where they do not need to spend huge money on marketing. They are not like Swiggy or Zomato where they need to ask the people download the app. They have to come up with ads in newspapers, hoardings, or TV ads. Nothing like that. Go to USA, catch hold of some companies, some hospitals there, tie up with some 15-20 hospitals, get the business to India, and employ the youth who are BCom or MBA freshers for packages of 3.5, 4.5 lakhs package, and you can run the show. So there is a much more certainty that you will make the profits because there is no huge investment required. Let's say if you are starting a steel plant or cement plant, you need to spend huge money for investment. Okay, if you are running a company called ITC, you need to spend money for creating the brand. Like if you are running company like startups or Swiggy or Rapid, you have to spend money for advertisement to increase the downloads and usage of the customers to attract a huge quantity of customers. But these companies runs with 15, 20, 30 companies, and they will be happily running the show, giving more employment for our population. Okay, so that is one of the good company. So when is the issue is going to be opened?
Today, sir, it's already open.
It's already open.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if this video we are uploading tomorrow, it will be opened on Wednesday.
November 5th is the opening date, and November 7th is the closing
7th
date.
is closing date. What is the issue price?
Issue price is 28 to 30. Price band is.
What is the grey market quoting price now?
So grey market has been fall from 3 to 0. It is fallen.
It is fallen from 3 rupees to 0.
Yes, sir.
But definitely long term they will do well,
Yes, sir.
because the sector is also in the booming phase. How much is the size of the IPO?
Size of the IPO is around 2,107 crores.
2,107 crore. Entire full amount is fresh issue.
No, sir. Offer for sale. Entirely, it's a offer for sale. Actually, the stake in that company is held by the Netherlands-based company, which is Sagility BV, which is a Netherlands-based company. So, full 100% stake in that company is with the promoter only. So they are selling the 15% of the. So they are selling the 15% of the shares to the public. So it's an offer for sale.
Oh,
no.
So
no
they are
fish.
exiting 50% of their shareholding to
15, sir.
15% to the public. When is the listing?
Listing is on November 12th.
November 12th.
Yes.
There are so many IPOs coming up because secondary markets are booming. This will continue as long as the market is booming. Like 2021, so many IPOs has come. 2020 because of corona crisis and all, the market was dull. So this creates a huge employment for merchant bankers, research analysts working in these sectors of financial services in Mumbai. Same way, the similar kind of boom is happening in USA also, where there is a huge employment is created in US, but they outsource it to Indian youth. That is how we are able to do more than 70-80 placements per month in various MNCs. So this issue is coming under 6.1 or 6.2 issue?
It's coming under 6.2, sir.
6.2?
Yes, sir.
Any reason?
So I think only there is an issue for offer for sale, not any fresh issue. So
maybe.
yes, sir.
Fine.
So QIBs will be qualified institutional buyers will get
75%. They must apply for the IPO.
Yes. Non-institutional buyers will get 15%.
15, and retail investors portion will be only 10%. Because the SEBI want to protect the retail investors if the company is not having better financials like 6.1 issue. Thank you very much, Padma Priya, and see you soon. And by next year, June, July, you will be in the good company with a good paying job. Okay, again I'm telling you, she dropped out CA, but her ambition to get the package equal to CA remains intact. Today is 2024 November. She will complete her PGDM by 2026 June. By 2027 June, that is with 1 year of experience after her PGDM, she will be getting the package of at least 9 to 10 lakhs, equal to a qualified CA. Students who are struggling with CA can complete their PGDM with their 50% of the efforts which they are keeping there for their IPCC one attempt. I repeat, you can put 50% of your one attempt of IPCC in my PGDM, and you will be getting the package equal to CA with just 1 year of experience in MNC. Okay, thank you very much, and see you soon.
This is made for the education purpose only, and this is my analysis, so you can invest in the stocks on your basis on your analysis.